We just had a major snowstorm here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Looks like I'm the only one up this morning except for the cats. You see their footprints down here? And as you can see, there's quite a bit of snow on these cars. I'm gonna get mine cleared off. I don't think there's gonna be any more snow today. And the temperature right now, it is above freezing. So I don't expect a whole lot of ice on the road, if any, as you can see here. But this should not be a difficult job at all. I have my shovel and a broom, and I have a scraper inside the Jeep. And I'll remove this right here from behind the Jeep. You know, the last time I did this, I removed this, left, I came back, and someone had taken my parking spot. I guess they didn't want to put in the work. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, by the way, being from Wisconsin, this is nothing, absolutely nothing. The snow, what we call packy. And so for you kids, if you like to make snowmen or snow women, this is the type of snow you want to do it in. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll give you guys an idea of what things look like. And I see a kingfisher sitting out here on a branch, and I did not bring my camera. That would have been a beautiful shot. But take a look at this. Let's take a look out there. Looks like it is going to start snowing again, lightly. A few moments ago, it wasn't snowing. But nonetheless, that's beautiful. I am not gonna land that in the snow. I'm gonna bring it up and land it on my hand. There you go.